Pieresearch does a great job in developing a product that's easy to install on the rebar cage and get it installed and getting it to work properly.
They made it really easy to install. Like the side spacers just clip right onto the ties. The bottom spacers, you just boom, bang them on the bottom, and they don't go anywhere. They hold in place, so they're very easy to put in.
Oh, the installation is extremely easy. You know, there's the old way of doing it is when you put bricks and rebar tie and that kind of stuff. Half of those come loose when they pick the whole cage up, but Pieresearch products stick to the cage, and you have no problem with the gauge that you need to protect the rebar.
They are easy to install. They work very well. The contractor just slips them on the rebar cage and goes right in the hole.
Most of them are pretty easy. I have a bunch of them at my office that Stan has given us over the years, and so we'll play with them just to see how they go on and how easy they are to use. And he's always been very responsible. We've actually had ideas and stuff that we've told him about in the past, and he's made modifications to products over the time to make them more user-friendly.
To install Pieresearch products is very simple. If I can do it, or if my teenage boys can do it, then it's about as easy as it gets.